Okay, guys, as you can see, my hair is done, baby. Yeah, she hooked me up and she know how I feel about the baby hairs. Okay, so yes, we did one part complete for maintenance day, and as you can tell, because I wasn't hoping y'all wasn't paying attention, but my nail was broke. It was a good thing I do my own nails. So let's go ahead home and get that done. And then my toes, I just recently done them, so that's not needed. But I might possibly do them, get them done, or either I'll just paint them myself because I want to be in, like, you know, Christmas mood, spirit, whatever, give it like a Christmas vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do. But baby, I ain't feeling myself, and I'm taking my husband on a date tonight too. Oh yes, Chrissy. I just don't like the glasses because the glasses is not giving it the look that I want. But yeah. Okay, guys, so I ended up at the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my own lashes like this. I do lashes, by the way, again, rich bliss, but I can't do my own individual ones because the like glue burns my eyes for some odd reason, so I just decided to do these. There was another one that was like falscara, which was okay, but it didn't last long for me. I don't know if it's because I did it in Jamaica and it was the heat, I don't know, but yeah, it just wasn't working for me. So I'm gonna try this brand IMB and see how it goes. So because I usually don't go into a store and only get what the freak I came here for, I'm gonna stop and get some mousse for my curls, my new curls, and then get the heck out of here. So yeah. Okay, let's get into these lashes. Now, I was using these originally for Jamaica, the falscara, right? And I have a little bit left, so I think I might just use it up. But I had bought these from the beauty supply store, like this brand, right? And this glue to go with it. But here's my thing though, is that I'm a lash tech. You feel me? I'm a lash tech. So you would think, oh, shouldn't you learn how to do your own lashes? But the thing, my eyes are so sensitive. And I tried one time, multiple times trying to do my own lashes. But that tried to like burn my eyes. Like, it was really burning me like badly. So I'm not sure if it's the glue or whatever, but I thought this would be quicker. I saw this one girl do these same kind of lashes, not this brand, but these kind of lashes on TikTok. I was like, you know what, let me try it. Instead of like, that way this could last longer rather than me getting strips. Because again, also with the brand Rich Bliss, don't forget Rich Bliss, I sell lash glue pens, and lash strips, right? So, you want to purchase yours? Purchase it today. But anyways, yeah. So, with that, I wear my lashes sometimes, like my lashes that my business, obviously to promote and stuff like that. But I want something that lasts longer. Sometimes I don't feel like taking it off and putting it back on, taking it off, put it back on. Because if you haven't really noticed, well, if you've been around, you've been watching my YouTube, baby, like, I've been struggling with doing my hair, doing my hair consistently, and it comes to laziness and me being busy with work and stuff like that too. So I'm feeling real cute right now, my hair done, and being that my hair's done now, and be consistent right before the New Year's of, have my hair done now, and then already planning my next hairstyle and how long I'm going to try to make this last. You know what I'm saying? And I already do my own nails. Again, Rich Bliss. Rich Bliss. And then I personally, my feet, right? Because this is a maintenance vlog. My feet, I get done at the spot that I go to, only because like, it hurts my back when I try to bend, like I sit down and I bend down and do my own feet sometimes. And if I really like, I want to be on crunch time, like not crunch time, but like I don't want to say like I'm struggling, or like, I want to save the money at that time to put the money towards something else. I can always just do my own feet. It's not a problem, but I just know my back will be hurting me. And I'll probably have to take a relaxer and then lay down. So that's my thing. So yeah, let's get into the lashes, because let me try to do this again. But I'm gonna try this one after. These don't last long. So let's see. And I thought this little thing that they come with is so freaking cute. Like, I'm keeping this for myself. Like, when the pack is done, I think I still got some glue on it. But yeah, I think this is so freaking cute. I need a scrunchie. My hair's in the way. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm about to be in my eye. Just want to wash my hands. And it's mad early. It's like freaking, what? It's about to be 6 here, 6 p.m. So I got time to do my lashes, do my nails, and still clean up the house before tomorrow because when I say, oh girl, got a busy week this week with the military, yeah. So, okay, let's see. I gotta remember how to do this. Now let's go. Oh, duh, the instructions are on the back. But you just brush, okay, but you see, it just say right there, brush the bond on first, and then put the thing on, and then lock it in. But I'm placing them underneath. I'm placing them underneath my lash, so not on top, but underneath, like right underneath there. But don't throw in your waterline because obviously, like, you know, you don't want it to. Yeah, it's self-explanatory. Okay, so bond. I'll do that first. I'm gonna do one eye at a time because, and it doesn't come black. It comes clear, like it's clear. So. Or is it black? Actually, it's looking very black. I don't know what I'm talking about, huh? Oh, girl. That's not kind of burn me. I think my eyes are just really sensitive. And I noticed that like a lot of people with astigmatism, like their eyes are super sensitive to a lot of stuff. So it can't be just only me. Oh, so what I'm trying to do while I'm doing this is spread out like my individual lashes. You know, I lied. This definitely comes out black. Cause who told me to lie to y'all? Look at that. It comes out black. Okay, so that's the bond. I hope this is the bond side because unless I switched it. I'm not. Oh. Okay. Light coat. And include and pluck a. Okay. And then now I just gotta put one on. So I think I'm gonna put the long one on each end. Oh shoot. But be careful because you don't want it to like the things to fall off. And you go. So that was pretty easy. Like, I placed it underneath here, if you can see right there. And that was really easy. Like, it came on like that. I love it. Okay. And then I put one long one. I only had 2 long left. That's trash. I had 2 long left, and then the rest is medium and short. I'm not sure if you could see. Hold on, I'm holding one. So you can see. So you see how like the different lengths, and I used up majority of the long and medium down here for when I was in Jamaica. Because I'm trying to look like a hot gal. You know. So yeah. And then I try to figure out like a more comfortable way for me to grip it. So I like to grip mine like this, if you can see. So that way I can just doop right into my eye. So next one I'll put right next to that one. Okay, update. I couldn't do the false mascara, this packet anymore, because it kept falling off. So I started opening up the I Envy one, and it's looking like it's sticking. It is. It's looking like it's sticking and it's staying. So we're gonna go with this one. I feel like it's gonna come out better. I got long and medium. Sorry, my eyes is tearing up. Thank God I got my little fan from my lash tech stuff. So, but we're gonna see how this one go. Let me get back to you. I'm gonna do this one eye. I'm gonna do the first eye first so you can see, and then go from there. Okay, so I'm done with this eye. I'm gonna show you about. Ignore my fan. My fan died on me. Okay, so baby, let's get into it. So I think I did a pretty good job. Like, look at my lashes. And so, yes. Now I look crazy, I only got one on. So I'm about to come back to you guys looking fabulous with the other. So, okay guys, so you can see the lashes. Yes, it's giving everything. So now I'm gonna do my nails next. And I have time now, just to let you know. I'll take my sweet time now because unfortunately me and hubby are not going on our date because he got held up at work. So I just can't stop looking at myself. I'm so happy. I feel like a whole new person when I get my hair, my lashes. Yeah, like when my hair is done, my lashes looking good. All I do is like, you know, my eyebrows ain't bad. You know what I mean? They're not bad. But yeah, I got the inches, baby. I'm gonna look good for work. For myself though. Because I don't even know why I did all this. I could have done this next week when I was off. But it is what it is. It's never too late to look good. So, yes, we're going to go ahead and do our nails. Again, it's still maintenance. A maintenance vlog / Vlogmas. So, yeah. I didn't say it in the beginning, but happy Vlogmas. Yeah, so you guys know this is a Vlogmas, video. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into these nails because baby, I'm not trying to flip y'all off, but look at this. Like, look at this. Okay, I broke it, I think either before I moved the boxes for the decorations the second day, or I don't know, but it's a hot mess clearly. But I was kind of already done with like this color, and you can see like the growth of my nails. So yeah, let's look right. Ah, looks so freaking cute.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Mini update. I got my Gel X on. I'm just gonna paint them. You see, I decided it was square today because the last time I had round, like oval, so I switched it up. And I could cut them a little bit shorter because, you know, I'm in the military, which goes into what I was saying. I can't do any magnificent color, so because I'm in the military, but I ain't cutting these. And they want to say something, I'll just cut them later. But yeah, that's what I'm finna do because I like them this way. It's exactly the same length they came as, exactly how I'm gonna keep it. So I decided with this color. Now this color is close to the color that I just cut off, right? But again, like, I ain't really go shopping for some new ones, and all the other colors that I have, I can't wear them to work. So this gonna be like a bright pink. Well, not bright pink, but it goes with my skin tone. So that's what we're gonna work with, because I low-key wanted to have a tan, but I thought about the tan, but I guess I just kept it in my cart. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Okay guys, so first of all, check out the peek the Tweety Bird, because you know how I do. I love me some Tweety Bird. Tweety Bird, Little Mermaid, and Transformers. If you need to know, boom, you know it now. So yeah, so I ended up actually not doing the pink. I ended up doing, like, I finally found like a beige nude, which is exactly what I wanted. So there we go. Also, I need to get up in this bathroom and lay my edges right for work. And yeah, I basically ran out of time like I usually do. So this is me closing out the video for Vlogmas. So yeah, so this is Vlogmas day 4 with my maintenance vlog. Again, I didn't get into the feet because I already have my feet done. Feel me? Let me show you. I don't like my toes, so doop. There you go. My feet are ugly. I don't think you got like my feet. I'm pretty though. I'm pretty, but my feet are ugh. Yeah, so with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for coming on this journey with my maintenance vlog. Yeah, you know, I got the hair done. I did the lashes, baby. To my nails, and my feet are already done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And actually, I'm thinking about stopping by Starbucks to get me like a Christmas cheer drink. I don't know yet, but I have to head to work, guys. I am so sorry every rush, but I'm always in a freaking rush. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for joining this vlog. Love you.